Hello students, welcome back. So students, keep your active English books ready with you, okay, and your pens also. Okay students, now have a look at the screen now. Here you will find a question. Rewrite the sentences beginning with I wish. Means there will be a sentence given. You have to write that sentence again, making use of the words I wish. Now let us check out what are those words. Here you have this number one, I want to have a ride. This is the sentence given. Okay. Now below that in red you can see a sentence, I wish I could have a ride. So what was the question? Rewrite the sentences making use of the words I wish. So here you have the sentence, I want to have a ride, and we have to rewrite it as, when we make use of the word I wish I could have a ride. So when we are making use of the word I wish, you will have to make use of the word could. Could, normally when we use like to express a possibility or impossibility or some past ability to take, as well as if you want to put up some suggestion or a request, for all these things you can make use of this word could in a sentence. Also when you have to talk about something about past, like or if you want to ask a permission, could I ask you a question, you can also say can I ask you a question. But when you want to be a bit more polite or formal, you can also say could I ask you a question. Okay, could we go home. So these are the some of the context wherein you can make use of the word could. This is just for your information I have said, but our main question was rewrite the sentence making use of the words I wish. So the first one written here is I want to have a ride, and when you rewrote it using the words I wish I could have a ride. Let us check a next example. Your second example given is will she help me? Now this is a question. So when you are making use of the word I wish she could help me. Means possibility. You're not sure. Possibility. So you have to make use of the word she could. I wish she could help me. Next. It isn't a sunny day today. How will you write it? I wish it was a sunny day today. Question given is it isn't a sunny day today. When you make use of the word I wish it was a sunny day today. Today it is a cloudy, maybe it is a cloudy day. So you're wishing that I wish it was a sunny day today so that I could go out. You say sometime, you make use of these sentences. So the sentence here, I wish it was a sunny day today. Next, you have I have nothing to say. Here it's a plain negative sentence. I have nothing to say. Now how will you make use of the word I wish? I wish I had something to say. You're making it positive. When you're making use of the words I wish, the question given here is I have nothing to say. So when you are making use of the word I wish I had something to say. You made it a positive sentence. So students, today we will be doing Active English chapter 16. So students, please open that chapter, chapter 16. You can put the date. Now read that question. Look at the sentence question. Write sentences beginning I wish. Write sentences. This is the main question. Now just read the first example given there. First question. I want to have a kite. Now the question is, you are making use of the words. You are supposed to make use of the word I wish and rewrite the sentence. I want to have a kite. Now let's see how we can write this. I wish I could have a kite. I wish I could have a kite. Just write it, students. I wish I could have a kite. Next. When will it stop raining? Question mark. This is a question. When will it stop raining? Now, the answer, I wish it would stop raining. Now, please note, here we are making use of the word would. So, here when we make use of this word would, also when we imagine something, we imagine. Now we are like, what is the question? When will it stop raining? You don't know when it is going to stop raining. You're just imagining maybe. I wish it would stop. You're wishing that it should stop raining. I wish it would stop raining, and so that you can step out of the house and go and play. You're just wishing it. I wish it would stop raining. Next. Have you written that? Again I repeat, I wish it would stop raining. Next. Will someone help me? Will someone please help me? Here you need help. You need help. Okay. So I wish someone would help me. Here you are making use of the past tense of the word will. Past tense of the word will, would. I wish someone would help me. Please make note, it is would. Don't write it could. W-O-U-L-D. I wish someone would help me. Next. I want her to give me an orange. I want her to give me an orange. Now when you start I wish, you're talking about her. Okay, so what will come? I wish. Her stands for a female. So I wish she would give me an orange. The question, I want her to give me an orange. Now what are you wishing? I wish she would give me an orange. Written, students, I wish she would give me an orange. Next. It isn't time to go home. It isn't time to go home. I wish I could go home. You're just since quite a long time, you're sitting and studying, or you're in your tuition class, so you just want to go home. So the question, it isn't time to go home. You are looking at the clock and you're seeing there is still time. It isn't time to go home. So what are you thinking in your mind? I wish I could go home. I wish I could go home. Next, I would like to have a bicycle. I wish I would like to have a bicycle. This is the next sentence. Now, make use of the words I wish I could have a bicycle. Now, here you're imagining. You don't have a bicycle, but now you're thinking, I wish I could have a bicycle. When you see your friends riding a bicycle, you get that feeling, okay, even I should have. So you, in your mind, you're thinking, I wish I could have a bicycle. Written students. Next, it isn't a holiday today. It isn't a holiday today. So, I wish it was a holiday today. Today is not a holiday, but you are feeling very boring to go to school maybe today. So you are just wishing, I wish it was a holiday today. I wish it was a holiday today. Number 8, I can't swim. I can't swim. It's a negative sentence. I can't swim. Now, when you are wishing, you can't swim, but you want to swim. How will you make use of the word I wish? I wish I could swim. I wish I could swim. Next, here you have the sentence, I have nothing to do. Again, this is a negative sentence. I have nothing to do. So now what are you wishing? I wish I wish I had something to do. You're getting bored. You have nothing to do. So you're wishing, I wish I had something to do. I wish I had something to do. Next, someone ought to clean the blackboard. Someone ought to clean the blackboard. Now, what the sentence? Answer, I wish someone would clean the blackboard. I wish someone would clean the blackboard. We move further. You ought to be more careful. That means this sentence shows us that you are a bit careless now. So someone is advising you ought to be more careful. So how are you thinking? I wish I could be more careful. Something when you were careless, maybe a little careless, something happened, you tripped and fell down, or something you lost in some books or something, like, and it's something happened. So your maybe your mother has told you you ought to be more careful. So now you're in your mind, you're wishing, I wish I could be more careful. You want to be more careful. You don't want mistakes to be repeated again. So I wish I could be more careful. Next, I don't know the answer. Here the negative sentence again. I don't know the answer. Now what are you wishing? You don't know the answer, but actually you wanted to answer in the class. So how are you wishing? I wish I I wish I knew the answer. I wish I knew the answer. Written students, I wish I knew the answer. So students, have you completed that exercise? We have done that one part of the lesson, chapter 16. I'm sure you have written it very neatly, students. So students, we'll continue the other part in the next class. Till then, have a nice day.